Hello, everyone. Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I want to thank y'all so very much for joining me for this here video. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to say maybe 2 days ago, I came to you all and I showed y'all that I was going to be doing a how to make DIY using these acrylic beads that I got from the 98-cent stash at Walmart. Okay, so I'm going to show you what all comes in the kit. Okay, you get 5 of these, you get 10 of these right here, and these are also acrylic. And you get 7 of these beautiful glass beads right here. Okay, 7 of those. And you get these small, 4 small little beads right here. Okay, now these jump rings are mine. Okay, those jump rings are mine, and I just added those to this here stash. Now we're gonna go ahead and get right into this, but I wanted to just show you all what came with that kit. Okay, now I am going to be using 2 wood pieces from this right here. These wooden tags I showed you all a while ago. I got these from Walmart. Okay, they was on clearance, and I think I got them for 75 or even 50 cents a piece. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 of these right here out of this these wooden beads right here. So you're going to need some black gloss paint. You're also going to need, or you don't necessarily have to, it doesn't have to be gloss, it can just be black paint. I got some Gorilla Glue. I got a piece of 20 gauge wire, a piece of you're going to need 2 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and you're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You're going to need a closure. So I made this, and I'm going to be using this for my bracelet, and you're going to need some Mod Podge. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so the very first thing that I did was I painted my, they jumping on my lap, my hands. I painted my wood piece, and I painted them twice, okay? And I painted them with this black paint. And the next thing I'm going to do is just put a coat of Mod Podge on, 1 coat of Mod Podge on, and paint the whole thing, and then I'm going to come back. Y'all, so once our pieces dry, I painted them, I put the Mod Podge on it already. Now we're going to go ahead and assemble our pieces. So basically you're going to take your 12 gauge aluminum wire, and this wire is about maybe 6 inches long. Okay, and we're going to make some loops down the bottom. We're going to make some spirals. So you're going to make a loop, and then you're going to make some spirals. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll these 2 pieces up together. Y'all gonna have to excuse my nails. I'm doing a lot right now, painting, trying to bring y'all as many how to make videos, and I can't do these videos with long nails, y'all. Okay, so this is what you want to do. See how I'm doing that? And just want to roll it up together. Just make sure that it's even, just like that. And you're gonna put some, we're gonna use some of this and put that right on the bottom. I mean, listen to me, right on the bottom. We're gonna add that to we're gonna put some, now this isn't even, but let me see. Okay, and I'm gonna just take a smidge of this and do just like this with it on both sides. And we're gonna put this right in the middle of our wood piece. and we're going to set it off to the side and let it dry. So I'm going to set it like this, put that like that, and then just set it off to the side and let it dry. Now while that piece is drying, I'm going to take one of these acrylic beads. I'm going to take my 20 gauge aluminum wire, and I'm going to make a loop just like that. I'm going to give it a little indentation, and I'm going to just wrap this, push this piece up and wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it twice, so that's 1 and 2. Okay, I don't know if you all can see that. And then it's a little piece here sticking up. That's the piece that I'm going to cut off. And we're making a bracelet. I don't know if I mentioned that in the video, but we're making a bracelet, okay? And this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now I'm going to take 2 of these beads right here, and I'm going to add these on just like that. I'm going to put the other one, okay, putting that on my wire and adding this on just like that, okay? And then I'm going to close it off, so I'm going to come make a loop, all right, and then start wrapping it around. And I only want to wrap it twice because you want the same loops, you want it to be pretty much the same size. You don't want to make it too big because you want both ends to be even, okay? And then I'm going to take and snip this off right here and go in and squeeze all of that in together. Now you have to make sure that these two are setting the same way. They have to be the same exact way. One ball here, one ball there, and your holes, okay? Now I have already done these 3 right here. I'm going to be adding and connecting these onto my wood pieces. So once they dry, then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish the bracelet. Okay, y'all. So the moment that you have been waiting for, here we go. We're going to go ahead and assemble this bracelet. So I decided not to use the 3rd one because that would have made the bracelet extremely big, okay, and especially for me anyway. So basically what we're going to do is I have some jump rings right here, and we're going to take a jump ring, add it on to the end of this one, and then we're going to add on our wood bead. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 of these on. Okay, the ones that came with the kit. These are just like little gems. Okay, so we're going to add that on, and we're going to close it. You're going to close it up. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to come to the other side, and I'm going to add this one onto this, and I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to add my wire on, and then I'm going to add 2 of these. 1 and 2, and then add on this one over here on this side. Okay, and then I am going to close it. just like that. Okay, so as you can see, the bracelet is starting to come together. I'm going to do this the same exact way. Add this on, and then I'm going to add on this wood piece, and then my two little charms, one on one side and one on the other side, and then close it. Okay, and this is pretty much what your bracelet is going to look like. Now the next thing we're going to do is we got two more to add. I'm going to get another jump ring, and this time I'm going to add, I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to add my two little pieces here, one here and one here. But before I close it, this is my, now you can use a lobster claw clasp, but this is just something that I made. This is my closure, and I'm going to add that on to this side right here, and then close it up. Just like that. And then I need to add another jump ring down on the bottom of this one, so that just like this, and close it up. Okay, and this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now let's see. Let me try it on. Yep. And this is actually perfect. And let me see if I can get it to close. Wait a minute, y'all. Anyway, let me show you. It's going to close like this. Okay, and that's pretty much what you're going to have. All right. Now I may have to add for myself another okay. Yay, I got it. There you go. And this is your bracelet. And you got these little, now the thing about this, you can wear it like this, you can wear it like this, but it's different, it's unique. No one else will have this because you created it. And this is just from the 98-cent stash that I got from Walmart. Let me see if I can get it off. There it is. This is just from the 98 stash that I got from Walmart. You have a really cool Afrocentric bracelet. Okay. And the sky is the limit when you get these things, y'all, because you don't know what you can create or make with it. So have fun creating. You don't necessarily have to make it exactly the way I did. You can do so many different things, okay? So with that being said, I want to take the time out to thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it so very much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.